Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 30 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and then tap on it. Now let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and let me quickly remove the photo. So simply tap on this camera icon. Now you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you, or you can choose a photo from the gallery and I will choose the photo. Alright, it can be this one. And now in this section we can change the position of this highlighted square, we can change the size of it also, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted area is responsible for it. So after positioning it, just tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner and now tap on save in the right upper corner again. Tap on save. Alright, so here we've got our photo. Of course, it will be visible on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.